Desperate times calls for desperate measures. जिंदगी लंबी नहीं चौड़ी होना चाहिए. कोरोना से लड़ेंगे भी आगे बढ़ेंगे भी. Good evening. I am Dr. Parthasarathy Mishra. I am an IAS officer. As a bureaucrat, I have a huge administrative and social responsibility. I would like to give you a little bit of tips, or you can call it. I can want to share some of my thoughts with you, so that I can be a little help to you, or little ignite your consciousness in these critical times. As all of you know that desperate times calls for desperate measures. It's a difficult time. We all understand, but we should not. We all know that this is Corona or COVID-19 as a virus. It is going to stay, as WHO says. Like any other viruses, it will continue to stay in our society. It will not go away. It will be always there. But remember always that we can fight and we can win this. Here I will quote one dialogue of an old Hindi movie of Rajesh Khanna in a movie called Anand. जिंदगी लंबी नहीं चौड़ी होना चाहिए. We all know that we have a limited life, but why to limit it lesser than that? We need to live a quality life, and how can you do that? And what the entire research and what the entire government machinery, everybody is trying to preach you? Social distancing. Why social distancing? Social distancing means we are giving a pause for the community spreading. So it is our responsibility how best we can stay at home, how we can make a distance while we go for purchasing something or whatever. We need to have a space. This space saves our few lives. That is what our understanding are. We have to understand this, gentlemen. We have to understand this. This is the call of the day. And personal hygiene, which is largely absent in India, time has come that we must understand what the personal hygiene means. We can just wash the hands in soap for 20 seconds. Can't we do that? Can't we not do a little bit of hygienic by just putting a mask or keeping a little distance from somebody, or just downloading the Arogya Setu app in your telephone? Can't we do a little bit of things like this? Why can't we? And we have learned hard that during this lockdown period, we have learned life, that yes, life can be led with the basics, not luxuriously. With the basics we can lead life. So this is what is important, what society expects from us. Society expecting that we should make, first every individual has to be health hygienic conscious, and he should make a social distancing. These two parameters in fact will give a break to the chain of spreading the coronavirus. That is what is required. When I will again quote the American president's dialogue. He says that don't expect what the country will give you. Always think that what you can do for the country, what you can give to the country, that is important. If I myself can, by doing little bit of conscious activity like social distancing, or by staying at home, making a little bit of the wearing mask, following government guidelines, or if somebody is quarantined, then follow the quarantine rules. I mean, these are the basic things to save the community, the society at large. And I believe every citizen has this responsibility. The time has come. We have lived life on our own terms. We have moved around, we have gone to gym, swimming pool, malls, Inoxes, movies. We have lived our life on our own terms any point of time. We have enjoyed life. Now time has come that on our part, we would contribute something to the society. If we wish all these things to come into the backtrack, it has to be we have to contribute. Thank you, gentlemen. I think the message is loud and clear that we as very conscious citizens, we need to understand the gravity of the situation. We must understand that India as a nation, what Prime Minister Modi says, कोरोना से लड़ेंगे भी, आगे बढ़ेंगे भी. That is what is our call. We have to fight it and go ahead. Economy cannot get a push button. Economy has to also run. It is this way we can come out. Thank you, friends. I hope I have little bit of my ideas to share with you. I hope this may ignite your consciousness and you can contribute significantly for tackling this pandemic COVID-19 disease. Thank you.